Welcome to Myclass, Yourclass.
Today's video, occupations. Hi friends, welcome to Myclass, Yourclass. Do you know what people do at work? Let's find out together. Ready? Let's go.
Teacher! Teachers help us learn new things at school. Say teacher.
Firefighter. Firefighters put out fires and keep us safe. Say firefighter.
Doctor. A doctor helps people feel better when they are sick. Can you say doctor?
Police officer. A police officer helps keep our communities safe. Say police officer.
Chef. Yummy. A chef cooks delicious food in restaurants. Say chef.
Pilot, wow! A pilot flies airplanes in the sky. Say pilot.
Farmer. A farmer grows fruits, vegetables, and takes care of animals. Say farmer.
Builder. A builder constructs houses and buildings. Say builder.
Musician. Listen to the music. A musician plays instruments and sings songs. Say musician.
Astronaut. Blast off. An astronaut travels to space in a rocket. Say astronaut.
Wow, you did an amazing job learning about different occupations today. What do you want to be when you grow up? See you next time. Bye-bye.